Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to insert the PDF into your HTML. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So for this I'm going to use the iframe. Let's have a look on that one. So let me go and just check this one. Here we need to upload the PDF. So I need to download the sample PDF. So let's go and download the sample PDF. Sample PDF download. Okay, so here we go with the sample PDF. So this is sample PDF, right? I'm going to save this or download this PDF, dummy PDF. Okay, let me go and just copy this PDF. Control X. Now I'm going to paste it over here. Paste. Let's rename this and add it over here. So this is my PDF file. Okay, let's add it. Done. Let's go and check this one. This is our test page. Let's reload, and here you can see that it says that the directive is issue. On that note, let's try to figure out how we can fix this issue. Just give me a second. Actually there is a cache in that one, so it's showing the issue, but now you can see that the PDF is there. Okay, so you can see you can scroll this PDF file. This is dummy PDF file you can add. So this is how you can embed the PDF file into your HTML. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.